Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make that beautiful beaded jewelry you have on my display picture. It's actually very simple and easy to make. Kindly be patient to watch this video to the end so that you can understand the procedure. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, remember to like this video. Thanks for always staying tuned. Okay, let me quickly introduce you to the materials. First of all, we have here the cutter. I have 0.35 millimeter fishing line. Here is my, now this crystal, size 8 crystal, is going to be representing that red pearl balls that you have in the jewelry, in that jewelry pattern. Okay, I have here my size 2 sand beads. Actually, in the jewelry, it was size 1 sand beads that were made use of. So kindly watch, then you will understand the procedure. Right, let's start. The first thing to do is pick one crystal bead. Okay, pull it down. Now pick 5 white sand beads. Three. Now return your needle through the crystal in this form and pull down towards the edge of your fishing line in this manner. Okay, now return your needle through this. Pass your needle round through. Now pick 6 more C beads. Now pass it through the next C bead that you'll be passing it round. I will need my presser to pull. This is what you have. Ensure you pass your needle round till you get to the next fishing line so that you can tie. My hands are still slippery, so I have to make use of my presser. Okay, fine. I've got it to where I can tie. Okay, so let me just tie these two together. You need to tie one more time. And depending on you, you can add more C beads, okay, to make this freer. So now I'll make use of my cutter to quickly cut this out. Now let's continue. Pass your fishing line or your needle through the next C bead in this manner. Okay. So once you've done that, the first thing I want to do is the half shape. So first thing is to pick 3 blue C beads. In this form. Pick 5 white C beads or sand beads. Okay. Now return your needle through that same C-bead you came out from. This is what you will have. Now pass your needle through the three blue C-beads in this form. Okay. Now continue by pick two white seed bead or sand bead. Also pick three. Okay. Now pass your fishing line through the next seed bead in this one. This is what you will have. Anytime you pass through this, then you have to come out of here by passing through the next that particular white seed bead. Okay, say in this form. Before you pass through the next one, try to come out of this three whites. Come out in this form. Continue by picking locate the next white seed bead and come out from it in this form. Anytime you're going up, you pick your three blue seed bead or sand beads first, then followed by the white sand bead. Okay, the process is actually very simple that way. Then you return your needle through the three blue seed beads. Okay, pass your needle through this white sand bead. to form the full part, the first thing to do is, after passing your fishing line through that bead in the way we did it previously, now pick 3 of this. Okay, now pick 2 of this white sea beads or sand beads. Now repeat again by picking 3 of this in this form. Now you have to return your fishing line through that same bead you came out from, the way we did it in the previous lesson. Oh, I will need my presser to pull. Okay, you can see this is what you have. Now pass your fishing line. Ensure your fishing line comes out of this blue sea bead, just like we did it previously. Okay, now repeat process by picking you have to pick the white 2 sea bead first. Anytime you're going from up, you pick the white 2 sea bead just for this to align. Then you now pick these 3 blue sea beads or sand beads. Okay, now you have to pass your needle through the next white sea bead. Okay, this is what you have. So you have to continue this process just like you did previously. Pick another one. Let me do this for the last time. Pick 3, then white sand beads. Okay, then you now come into here. Okay, so you continue. You have to go round so that you can form that shape.